lobby of the Peabody Hotel in Memphis, where at 11 o'clock the duck master will bring the ducks down from the penthouse, and they will march from the elevator to this pool and splash around for us.
We'll be getting started with the morning duck march at about 10 minutes until 11 o'clock. At 10 till 11, I'll give a short presentation. I'll tell us all gathered the history of our hotel, our ducks, and how our whole tradition here got started. But then promptly at 11, music will roll and the ducks will march.
Ladies and gentlemen, the march of the world-famous Peabody Ducks.
Good.